This isn't over. Not while I'm still breathing.
Have you ever dreamed of creating your own short cinematic video with voice, sound effects, and storytelling without touching a camera? Thanks to Canva and VO3, that dream just became real. You can now generate 8-second cinematic quality videos with voice and synchronized sound directly inside Canva. All you need is one good prompt. Here's how it works. First, make sure you're using Canva Pro, Teams, or Enterprise. Then go to the Canva AI section and click Create a Video. Each user gets 5 credits per month. 1 credit equals 1 video. To write the perfect prompt, use the CASCADE formula: camera, ambience, subject, context, action, dialogue, emotion. The more specific, the better your results. Let's try an action-packed example. A lone hero stands on a rooftop facing a burning city skyline. This isn't over. Not while I'm still breathing. The scene includes a slow cinematic zoom, dark stormy lighting, helicopters circling in the distance, and the sound of wind and distant explosions. The hero's coat flaps in the wind. His face is lit only by the flicker of distant fire. And yes, it speaks. The video includes voice, sound effects, and movement. You can edit the video right inside Canva, trim, crop, or combine multiple scenes. Want to remove captions? Just add no captions to your prompt. Once you're done, download the video or use it in your projects. So what are you waiting for? Try Canva's AI video generator today and bring your imagination to life. And hey, if you found this helpful or inspiring, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos about Canva AI and creative tools. We've got plenty more tutorials, tips, and real-world tests coming your way. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.